I work with organizations that want to create a culture where people stay, perform, and care at a higher level. In this world of AI, I am convinced in our lifetime, there will never be artificial humanity.
Thank you. Touched my heart. Oh, thank you.
Practicing what we preach is part of retaining your best people. Because if you have your A+ people feeling like they don't matter, and the C+ people get away with everything, you're going to lose your best people than the amount of money it takes to retrain someone. Yes or yes?
She is hilarious, she's fun, and you know what? She's just down to earth in terms of her message, and people can receive that.
The beautiful thing about our time together today is you have the exact same opportunity to create your own success story, to create that transformational story, that hero's journey that every single one of those heroes in those movies do.
I'm on the right. That got the biggest laugh. I knew you were twisted, I knew it. What the human factor does is it increases engagement, you retain your best people, and there's less conflict. And as a result, you have a more joyful culture and a more robust bottom line. Before you lead others, you must lead yourself. Flip your 20. Flip your 20 is the single most powerful skill to go from where you are now to where you want to go.
The Flip Your 20 is going to be something huge that I'm going to use.
He says, where do you work out? I say, Attica. Because you get something back too, and it's not manipulative. You just care, and that connection is powerful. You do that with people, anyone you interact with, it's critical because it's a return on investment. But if you don't dose people up, and I bet y'all have worked for someone who never dosed you up, and when they come down the hall and it's time for a meeting, that is the right reaction. And your defenses are up. But when you dose someone regularly for their job they do, for being a good human, thank you for solving that issue with the guest, they were so happy. And then you have to have a tough conversation, which you may. They know you're coming from a place of kindness and love and generosity. Are you following? Because I've trained my brain. Everything we're going to talk about today is based in brain science and neuroplasticity. There's research behind this. We tell ourselves what we receive. If someone wants to be a jerk or whatever, they're allowed to. You can be mad. Please have all the emotions in the world, but own them. Nobody gets to live in the penthouse if they're not paying rent. Okay. The next time something bad or unfair or annoying happens, instead of defaulting to your old mindset and algorithm of, why me? Step up, flip your 20, and say, watch me. Thank you so much.
If you like what you see, I'd love to talk with you about how I can help you and your group implement the human factor. I'll keep an eye out for your email.